Dnes je 19. januára a sme v Toba Marine termináli. A ten drom nás preplavili na breh, pretože kotviť tu nemôžu. Ale kapitán neustále upozorňoval, oblečte sa, fúka, je zima. Pozerám, že máme tu free Wi-Fi. Ale v Japonsku som si všimla, že nebude problém s internetom. Je problém ten, že SIM karty sú extrémne drahé, pretože ako sme zistili, tak oni už predávajú telefóny priamo so zabudovanými kartami. Ale nakúpaky, tieto terminály, rôzne letiska, predpokladám, tam síce neboli, ale hádam. A metrostanice, všade v podstate prístupné Wi-Fi.
Our 2-week cruise with Princess Cruises on the Diamond Princess, which began in Singapore, continued through Vietnam, Hong Kong and Taiwan, ended in Tokyo, where we spent another week. But before that, the last all-day stop was in a town called Toba. When I was planning the trip, I had several alternatives for a nice day trip. There is easy access with train to Ise or Shima from Toba. In the end, we decided to spend the day right in Toba, so we could relax in the middle of the holiday and at the same time we could take nice shots with the drone. Toba, a Japanese city located on the northern half of Shima Peninsula, in far eastern Mie Prefecture, facing Ise Bay of the Pacific Ocean. Much of the city is within the borders on the Ise-Shima National Park. As of August 2015, the city had an estimated population of 19,227 and total area was 107 square kilometers. The modern city of Toba was formed on 1st of November 1954. The basis of the local economy is commercial fishing, tourism, and cultivated pearls. Mikimoto Pearl Island. This island is known as the birthplace of cultural pearl agriculture and it belongs to the Mikimoto Pearl Museum. In 1893, Mikimoto Kokichi, a local businessman, succeeded in producing cultural pearls on the island of Ojima. In 1919, the island was sold to a transport company, and 10 years later, the city of Toba bought it again and then sold it to Mikimoto Kokichi. He turned the island into a pearl production center and in 1951 gave it his own name. Later, the Mikimoto Museum of Life and the Pearl Museum were established on the island, where visitors can learn interesting information about pearls, their production and use. In 1970, a bridge connecting the island with the mainland was completed. Admission to Pearl Island is 1,650 yen, which is about 13 euros or $16.
Svetlo na konci tunela. Tradičné kockaté auto japonského charakteru. Ale v ňom sa človek musí poskladať do kocky. Po schodoch.
Áno, venku chodíme po schodoch.
No, väčšinou sa tie schody hýbali, tak nepáči.
Ale sú to schody.
Hopí do srdiečka. Sú toalety a tam je značka na free Wi-Fi. Ahoj.
Today, there are only ruins from the Japanese castle of Toba. Its main gate was facing the ocean, so the castle was known as the Floating Castle of Toba, or the two-color castle, because one of its sides, the one facing the sea, was black and the opposite was white.
Že máš ťapku.
No, lebo cestou hore som sa spotila, tak potrebujem uschnúť.
The castle was built in 1594 by Kuki Yoshitaka, an admiral under Toyotomi Hideyoshi. I have already mentioned him in our video from Osaka. Toba Castle was destroyed in 1854 during one of the Ansei Great Earthquake and was never rebuilt. Later, the new Meiji government destroyed the remaining structures of the castle, and in its place today stand the modern Toba City Hall, City Elementary School, Shiroyama Park, and Toba Aquarium.
Všetkému rozumiem. Teraz neviem, či je príliš vyblízkaný, alebo ho zabudli domaľovať. Pikachu Juicy. To vyzerá ako
by to
nechutne.
takové,
Hej, nie? Nejaké riasy.